Today I will discuss what is the terrorism and where is does affect the society. Definition of terrorism. Terrorism is the such type of violence in which crime of ethnic cleansing of any religion followers for spreading the religion of terrorists by violence, though Hitler killed as many Jews due to their religion base, and in communist countries there were a lot of incidents for ethnic cleansing due to affirmatively of the communist with any religious group, but it is the only showmanship because in Russia majority of the Christians, China has large population of Taoism, Buddhism and other religious group. Same practice in other communist countries. Terrorism prohibits the peaceful living of a particular group or many groups. The religious confrontation prime cause of the terrorism. One cult says that we will go to heaven, while other cult says that only we will go to heaven. Nobody wants to go hell, but these people do not know that any person who believe in any cult or not believe, but he is doing the work in favor of humanity. Even he is a atheist will go to heaven if have any heaven. And those who are killing to each other for their specific God certainly will go to hell. If any Almighty knows everything, you can say God is the superpower to mankind. What meaning of religion or dharma? धर्म मीन्स धर्म करने योग्य, धारण करने योग्य, और in English it means able to adopt in daily life for goodness of the humanity. If we are killing to others in the name of our Allah, this is not religion, but it is a terrorism. However, you can defend yourself from tyrants due to the fundamental rights and also can save your life even to hurt terrorists. Misconception in the religion are the main cause of the terrorism. God will never say, "Who does not believe in me, killed them," because God knows that all creation is created by me and my presence is anywhere. So funny where it is written that God is saying, "Kill the anyone." It creates a matter of suspense. Religion is only one, not yours and mine. Religion for all, God for all, no reservation of God for a special sect. This is why in the Vedic culture always preached in favor of unity. In Vedic culture or the religious is no specific God but God for all creatures, nature and welfare of humanity. In Vedas due regards and respect to all, no disrespect to anyone, and wish for healthy, wealthy and happy lives. Here below some hymns and shilok to indicating the goodness of all creatures and the nature. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Bhavantu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pasyantu, Ma Kajachit Dukha Bhag Bhavat. Om Santi Santi Om. May all be happy, may all be free from illness, may all see what is the auspicious, may to no one suffer. One peace, 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 peace. So terrorism is the ill mental stage is totally depending on to impose the superiority to others. Dharma or religion does not any superiority among human beings or in nature. Religion says that all human beings and the living organism are equal without any discrimination. According religion, all are equal, has no specific God, prophet and messenger to a specific sect. Almighty superpower whatsoever may be only are one and said for all humanity, and there is no single special provision for special cults followers. Almighty never says kill to others because he made all universe without any biased technology. All cults followers are the same origin theory of the evolution. Religion is not meaning of the creation of the world in 6 days. Neither it has proven nor Almighty never spoke this to anybody about creation of the world. Almighty God cannot speak any wrong doctrine that earth is flat and sun revolves around the earth and earth is stable. because it has now proven that earth is moving around the sun and it is almost round. There are no seven skies. Almighty God tells to the prophet or son of Jehovah. This raises so many questions that how Allah, God, Jehovah, was deceived the prophet, son of the God, by this wrong information. This is great question for such type of doctrine. How Almighty can say that man, human can eat all the birds, fishes, and animal directly? Whenever there is a food chain in which is herbivorous as per biological evolution theory, it cannot be possible. One side God is doing evolution theory for creation of universe in billions and millions of the years, and other hand He did create universe in 6 days. This is not religion that God allows to kill all animals for human for His interest, wherein He creates all of them. It is not great contradictory. One side some cults said there is a big sin to kill even a single ant, means the small creature. But in next verses say, kill the kafirs who do not believe in their cult. As Quran verse 5:33, religion is that phenomena equal for all in daily life, and there is no scope any hypocrisy in religion. Only Vedic culture says whole universe is our family and may be happy, no specific God for Hindus. But Almighty always gives equal rights of heaven or hell, if any. Terrorism is a reversal process of the religion, means it attracts the illness, poverty, and sadness in both killers and victims. It has been found in a survey that 97% terrorists are suffering from mental disorders and ill health. The training of brainwashing to the newcomers as a terrorist, he pushes into himself in so psychological pressure that after training he is only puppet or robot made by terrorism organizations. So terrorists are required mental asylum, not training camps and launching pads. Due to brainwashing, their anxiety level is so high that they are doing untoward activities which are against laws. Terrorism is a black dots against humanity. Due to terrorism, it creating mental agony in terrorists and the victims. If terrorists think that they are doing great work, only plunder. If you cannot alive any creature, then you have no right to kill anyone. This is the book which I has written. The leadership of this terrorist group is so cunning that their families are well-to-do and well-educated, but they are involved in terrorism due to their vested interest to earn money for lavish life. Details will be discussed in the next coming. Cannot actually to kill anybody is a mental illness. A sound mind cannot be do these vulgar activities. These peoples are haunted by ill mentality. If any person believes any illogical concept that he will never be successful, it is a great foolishness, because God never does disparity to any creature or nature. Whole universe is running with a protocol, and disturbance of this protocol or abstract it known as violence and aftermath is terrorism resultant. Type of terrorism. It is clear fact that there is no concept of bad or good terrorism, but only concept is anti-terrorism. So terrorism is always bad and against humanity and superpower laws. There are some bad laws of the terrorism made by terrorists after brainwashing, as in a robot form or the puppet form by leader of terrorism. First law of terrorism. The prime aim is to create fear and nuisance in the society for attract their presence. And what are their intentions? It is prime truth. Bad news is more attractable than good news. For example, if 10 people are killed by a terrorist attack, this news will be spread in the circumferences very rapidly. But in the same city, if one doctor saves the 20 lives of the patients, nobody will know this fact. So they adopt many negative ways for publicity. Now public media as Facebook, Twitter, including other communications, are present to spread threatening and bad news. So first step is of spread terrorism publicity stunt. Same is below publicity in print media. As in Kashmir, 19th January 1990, pamphlets were distributed in newspaper that all Hindus leave the Kashmir Valley, otherwise ready for bad consequences. This was amazing factor that Dr. Farooq Abdullah was the chief minister of the Jammu Kashmir. He did not control print media to check these anti-national activities. Either he was engaged with terrorists. It is a big question mark, and due to this, 8 exodus of the forcibly displacement was happened of Kashmiri Hindus. Publicity from religious places on the loudspeakers. This type of publicity are using by the radicalized Islamic fundamentalists in the name of the religion. That is, Islam khatre mein hai means is in danger. If Islam is so weak that at every moment it will come in danger, it is a very amazing. How are the Muslims so afraid of? What is the weakness? In every sentence, Quran is against non-Muslims. It never seen in the Vedic religion to say kill others on the religion or cult basis. If any religion cult is perfect, then never will be in danger. So these terrorists provoke the innocent or the duffer people for disturb the peace of the society. When the Friday prayer in the Jammu Kashmir terrorist announced leaves the Kashmir Hindus, the CM of the Kashmir was Farooq Abdullah. Then it is natural he had to bear this blame. Why he is so helpless? And Honorable Lieutenant General, how he controlled this strictly. This was not misuse so-called holy mosques, and how management of these mosques in the hand of anti-nationalists. It seems this was the spider net nexus for these all activities, and all are involved in the nexus directly or indirectly. Threatening or on telephone or any communication appliances. Threatening is not very common in this day because due to this their location may be confirmed by their security agencies. However, it may be some threats from mobile phone also. It is a very common practice. Many threats may come from the foreign countries as Pakistan by Facebook. Twitter handle are the most misused application apps for threatening the people from fake ID. To prevent fake identity is due to do the check this duty of the chairman of these organization. These all publicity stunts are using by terrorists throughout from the world. This is known as psychological terrorism. Physical assault, destruction of the properties, other activities, these are all related to each other. In these activities, terrorist attacks on public places, planting of the bombs, and the disappear in the crowd. This covers major casualty. Explosives are too much powerful that it can damage many buildings, vehicles, trees, and heavy casualty of the lives. This is the most prevailing method used by terrorists to create havoc in the public. Many incidents are happened around the world. This is the most favorite method of the terrorism insects because in these activities rendering heavy losses to the lives and the property, and least possibility of killing of the instant of the terrorism. Explosion in public place also great part of this activity, and terrorists mostly used to escape safely. So this type of the appliances or this type of tactics are being used by the Islamic terrorism. Islam itself a terrorism. Islam itself a synonymous of the terrorism. No need to say there is the Islamic terrorism. Islam itself a terrorism. After reading the Quran and its verses, I found that Islam is a fully terrorist group, and the people are not exposing the Islam so widely. What? Why? Because people are not aware this terrorist activity of the Islam or terrorist verses, Quranic verses of the Islam which are propagating are the perpetrator of the terrorism activity killing of the non-Muslim throughout the world. In the last, I would like to say, please read my book, Black Dots of Terrorism by Vijay Kumar Pal, and Blender of Blasphemy by Vijay Kumar Pal, Invaders and Hidden Facts by Vijay Kumar Pal. These all books, the exposure of the Islamic filthiness and the dirtiness against the humanity. Lament of Sinjar, Tears of Yazidi Women by Vijay Kumar Pal. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, put the bell icon so you get notification while in time, and This video must be circulated through the WhatsApp, on the messages, or the Facebook, or the Twitter, or all the medium, the information technology platforms, as in also you can email to the society. Thank you very much. See you.